Good morning, students. Welcome to the video class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and healthy. Stay home, stay safe. Today, math class for grade 5, chapter 5, the new chapter. What is the chapter name? Does it look the same? In this chapter, we are going to discuss about symmetry, line of symmetry, reflection, and perimeter of symmetric shapes. What is meant by symmetry? When a figure is folded into two halves such that both the halves are identical, we say that the figure is symmetrical and the phenomenon is called symmetry. Next one, it is the line of symmetry. The line which divides the figure into two identical halves is called the line of symmetry or the axis of symmetry. See in that picture, the dotted line in each object has divided the object into two parts of equal shape and size. So it is the line of symmetry. See the example, observe each figure and find if the dotted line is a line of symmetry. Write yes or no. Look at the figure A. The dotted line has divided the object into two parts of equal shape and size. So it is line of symmetry. So write yes. See the next one. The dotted line has divided the object into two parts, but that shape and size are not equal. So this is not a line of symmetry, right? No. Next one, it is a reflection. A reflection is known as a flip. A reflection is a mirror image of the shape. An image will reflect through a line known as the line of reflection. See the next one. Draw the reflection of each of the following. Reflection. An image that is reversed from left to right as it would appear if seen in a mirror. A reflection. Look at here. See the first one. Half of the shape. It's reversed from left to right. So it is a mirror image. See the next one, that alphabets E and H. E and H reversed from left to right. So it is also a mirror image. This we can say it is a reflection. See the next topic is perimeter of symmetric shapes. If a plane figure represents a mirror symmetry, then in order to find its perimeter, we find the perimeter of the shape on either side of the mirror line and multiply it by 2. Look at the sum. Find the perimeter of the following symmetrical shapes. Look at the sum. Now we have to take half of the figure. 8 half. How much it is? 8 by 2 it is 4 centimeter. Right here 4 centimeter and here 2 centimeter as well as right. And then the side 10 centimeter and here how much centimeter? 2 centimeter. 2 half. How much it is? So divide 2 by 2. It is 1 centimeter. Yes. This side we don't know how much centimeter is this. We have to find. How to find? See here. This side 4 centimeter and this side 1 centimeter. The remaining part we should find. So subtract 4 minus 1. It is 3 centimeter. Yes, right here the remaining part it is 3 centimeter. Now write in that perimeter of the given figure, add all the sides. 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 10 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. Add all these sides. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. In order to find its perimeter, we find the perimeter of the shape on either side of the mirror line and multiply it by 2. So now multiply 2 into 20. 2 into 20 it is 40 centimeter. The perimeter of the given figure it is 40 centimeter. Look at the given figure. Now we have to take half of the figure. So this side 30 centimeter and this side 6 centimeter. The figure is symmetrical. So let us consider this side 30 centimeter and this side 30 centimeter and this side 30 centimeter. And this one 6 centimeter is the same. We should write here 6 centimeter. Now find the perimeter of the given shape. Add all these sides. 30 plus 6 plus 30 plus 30 plus 6 plus 30. Add now 30 plus 6, 36. 36 plus 30, 66. 66 plus 30, 96. 96 plus 6, 102. 102 plus 30, 132. We find the perimeter of the shape on either side of the mirror line and multiply it by 2. Now multiply with 2 into 132. 132 into 2, what is the answer? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2. 264 centimeter. The perimeter of the given figure it is 264 centimeter. Okay children, today our class is over. I hope you understood this topic. I given the homework. Refer your practice book page number 32, 33 and 34. We will meet in the next section. Thank you all.